Right, ladies and gentlemen, back to the masonry storeroom that was placed over the septic tank. We set up the foundation, set up the walls. We also placed the entrance. And well, before we continue, make sure you subscribe, press the like button, and press the notification. Smash the notification. Well, this is it. We also placed the roof on that masonry storeroom, and the last time I showed this part where we were putting the lock, and the lock did not fit exactly how I wanted it to, but there had to be a little sanding down, which I have to do to the whole steel frame of the edges of the door, and also the frame that will be placed on the entrance. This is what we will be doing today. Now, in order for this to fit properly, I had to grind down a little part of the weld that I placed inside, right there, and then after that, place this nice and oh yeah, perfect fit. Well, this is not what we will be dealing with today. We will be placing the frame in the entrance. Right here, I'm cutting these flat bars, which are 2 inches wide, 5 inches long, 9 of them. Right here, I drilled 2 holes in them. Let me bring it a little closer there. You can see those 2 holes. On this, it will be screwed on in the entrance. And you could see them 4 on each side, 1 to the top. And you could also see the little crossbars, these pieces, 1, 2, 3 of them. Those are there temporary. You will see what I will be doing with them once I place this here at the entrance. Okay, I'm going to weld those pieces of flat bars. Usually I would give it 2 tacks, 1, 2. I'll give you a slow motion of that, and I will continue to the others. This is it. Okay, 1 short, very short bead of weld. Once I do that, I will take out the clamps that is holding those bars, the flat bars, which are 5 inches long, and proceed to the others right now. And then head to this one here, and then I will continue. Now, if you notice, my hands will be going up. Hold 1 second. Up, down, up, down. You can see how I type of twisting my hands when I am welding. What I'm doing is actually I'm welding on the flat bar and then on the frame. This pretty much fills the little space between the flat bar and the frame, making it very strong, making it one unit. Okay, what I usually do before and after is clean the area where I am going to weld. Now I have to make a little groove for those little piece of flat bars I placed on the frame, and that's what I'm doing there. I'm going to do this one. I draw a line. The line is about 2.5 inches, about ½ inch wider, so it will give me enough space, enough leverage to whether bring it, the frame up or down. Make sure everyone line up, and then after I put that little 3-inch, 2.5 inch space, I line up the router there, and what I'm going to do is put 2 pieces of plywood, one below, one above. That's the one above on the 2 lines that I just drawn. Okay, now wherever this router moves between that space is within that 2 lines that were in right there. So I'm trying to, with a depth just enough to fit those flat bars, this right there, and I'm just getting rid of that part. All right, the old door, I had to put it back to secure what is in there. Secure. Well, let me take it out, and then after I take it out, what I'm going to do, you will see me putting a piece of 2x4 right there, screwing it in. So once I walk into the storeroom with the door frame, 1 second, I'm putting one piece on each side. Okay, and now I'm placing the frame right in here. 1 second, and now voila, check the level horizontally to the top and vertically on the sides. Perfect. Now those temporary pieces, once I screw down the frame, oops, I had a slippers on. I'm knocking off those temporary pieces there, which were secured with two weld beads, temporary, and bam, this is the space right there. You could see the door, the edges of the door on the side there, resting on the plywood. So what I'm going to do is make sure it fit. Now what I did not do, well, I forgot, I don't know what I did with the footage of putting the hinges on. I placed 3 hinges. I should have put 2, but hey, 3 is a little stronger, a little more secure. And now what I have to do is pretty much force it in the door, bung it right here, make it fit perfectly. Check this out, bam, just right. That's just one part of the masonry storeroom's door. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, smash the bell, and ladies and gentlemen, this is another part. We will be completing the masonry storeroom's door in a final part, placing the wood and finalizing and pretty much finishing the metal part of our masonry storeroom door. Again, thank you for watching. Enjoy. I'll be back, and don't forget, just get something done, man.